On Saturday, the 24th of December, all eyes would be on Prime Minister Narendra Modi doing the Bhumi Pujan for building what the Maharashtra government plans to be the tallest statue of legendary Maratha warrior Shivaji. The statue is supposed to be bigger than the Statue of Liberty and when completed would be 210 meters tall. It would be built in the middle of the Arabian Sea by reclaiming close to 16 hectares of land. Set to cost a whopping rupees 3,600 crores, the main feature of the memorial will be a 192-meter tall statue of the iconic Maratha king. The site is a rocky outcrop, roughly 1.5 kilometers from the Raj Bhavan shore.
सारी बाकी तैयारी जो है स्मारक होने की वो सरकार की पूरी हुई है। 12 प्रकार की परमिशंस लगने वाली थी, वो सारी की सारी मिल गई। टेंडर निकला, 22 जनवरी को टेंडर ओपन होगा, वर्क ऑर्डर निकलेगी, काम शुरू होगा। बहुत बड़ा ये सपना है, तो फेज वाइज पूरा होगा। पहली फेज उसकी 3 साल में पूरी हो जाएगी।
The memorial complex on the islet will house a library on the warrior king, an amphitheater, an aquarium and a cinema hall to screen films on the Chhatrapati, guest rooms and a helipad. There will be replicas of the entrance arch of the historic Raigad fort, of the Tulja Bhavani temple, 4 courts designed after his palaces and wadas of the Maratha era. The Shiv Smarak will be accessible by boat from various locations across Mumbai. The Prime Minister will travel to the island by a hovercraft from South Mumbai's Girgaon Chapati. The route will have boats decked up like those in Shivaji's times. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the newly built campus of the National Institute of Securities Markets, spread over 70 acres at Patal Ganga. The campus has a potential of accommodating 5,000 students, and Securities and Exchange Board of India has invested more than rupees 400 crores in the institute. It will help NISM widen its activities and also cater to the growing demand for qualified securities market professionals. The PM will also inaugurate metro rail projects in Mumbai and Pune. He will address a public function at the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority ground in suburban Bandra after laying the foundation stone for 2 metro rail projects, Elevated Rail Corridors Project and Mumbai Trans Harbour Link. One of these is the 23.5 kilometer long metro line from DN Nagar to Mankhurd, while the other is from Vadala Thane to Kasar Badavali, measuring 32 kilometers. In the evening, he will set off for Pune to lay the foundation stone for the metro line there, by which 2 corridors have been granted permission. 11,420 crores have been set aside for the project.
ये मुंबई ट्रांस हार्बर लिंक की वजह से साउथ मुंबई को रेस्ट ऑफ द मुंबई के साथ जोड़ा जाएगा और मुंबई के बाहर रायगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी इसके साथ, नवी मुंबई रायगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी जोड़ा जाएगा। तो मुझे लगता है कि इसकी वजह से मुंबईकरों को सफ़र बहुत आसान हो जाएगा और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज़ भी बहुत अच्छी सी डेवलप हो जाएगी।
All in all, the Prime Minister's visit to Maharashtra this year is set to introduce a new phase of development of the state. With inputs from Siddharth Bodke, Abhishek Singh, Yogesh Sheetal and Shyama Mishra in Mumbai, DD News.